What's new and exciting, Mido 2019, is our ART block pot. This allows us to dispense blocks to new trays, as well as then retract them and put them back in inventory. Another exciting aspect of Mido was the launch of the Metro Lab concept. For 800,000 K, you can produce 150 jobs per day with 3 individuals per shift. Also, we're talking 3-hour AR.
We are working with the Satisloh for the last 12 years. Perfect in servicing, and we don't have a complaint at all to tell you the fact.
My experience comes for many years already, and it has been a process, good process, and where we have been witness of improvements, new technologies, always something new.
We are very happy with those machines from Satisloh, and if we think for the future about new machinery, we are thinking at first always on Satisloh, and generally support is always okay, which is very important, because to sell a machine is one thing, but after that is the most important things, to have qualified people who can fix problems.